Hello, Libra, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs. Kamusta kayo? Sana po ay nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan. Welcome back po sa Star Tarot. Kung bago kayo dito, welcome din kayo. Thank you for your support. I truly appreciate it. God bless you all. First message ninyo is for general life. We have temperance energy. Angel of peace is here, no? Para tulungan ka na maging peaceful ang pakiramdam mo. Maaari na you are seeking for peace, you are seeking for tranquility and serenity sa buhay ninyo. Kaya eto, no, tutulungan ka na ma-achieve mo yon. Tutulungan ka na ma-feel mo yon, Libra, no? Ni Angel of Peace. At tsaka, Libra, this is also about healing. No, this is about healing. Maaring kung ano man ang medyo sitwasyon ninyo na hindi maganda or hindi paborable sa inyo, huwag kayong mag-alala. Rest assured that you are going to be at peace kasi you will be receiving healing energy. No? Magiging maayos na ang inyong pakiramdam, magiging maganda ang inyong pakiramdam na. Okay? So, tignan natin kung ano naman ang message ninyo for your money, career, and finances. We have Queen of Wands. Wow, creativity. Ang magiging kapital ninyo siguro dito, or maybe you're going to highlight or you're going to show off your creativity ngayon at maaari yon ang magiging kapital ninyo sa inyong karera, sa inyong negosyo, sa inyong trabaho, no? So, kung ano man yung talents ninyo, no? Maaaring dito ninyo ibubuhos sa bago ninyong endeavor, so which is really, really beautiful. And you're heading towards abundance, no? Kaya magiging maganda ang inyong kaperahang aspeto. You will be abundant, you will be prosperous kasi there will be new opportunities coming your way. Dito na pwede ninyong pagkaperahan, na yun ang magiging, ang tawag dito, magiging source ninyo ng inyong pagtatagumpay, no? Pagdating sa inyong kaperahang aspeto. Kaya good luck sa inyo, Libra. There is also success na naghihintay sa inyo rito. That's what I'm picking up. Success is coming your way. Okay? You will be receiving success pagdating sa inyong money, career, and finances. Kaya good luck sa'yo. Sa inyong relationships, we have 7 of Cups. Wow, choices. Meron sigurong decision making na kailangan gawin ng iba sa inyo. Baka meron kayong pwedeng kung nasa established relationship na kayo, baka meron kayo ritong different options, no? Ang napipick up ko dito kanina pa, baka merong rough patch na pinagdadaanan, so maybe you're going to choose kung you're going to keep your person, pagbibigyan mo ba? Bibigyan mo ba ng pagkakataon? Papatawarin mo ba or hindi? Yung mga ganun ba? No? Are you going to give your relationship another chance na makapagsimula muli, maayos, kung ano man ang problema? Yung mga ganun. Or hindi. Or give up na kayo. No? So, may ganun ako napipick up dito for some of you. But of course, this is a reading for the collective. No? Kaya hindi ito magre-resonate sa lahat. Kunin nyo lang kung ano yung magre-resonate sa inyo. Okay? So, for those of you naman na baka wala pa kayong relasyon, baka ngayon pa lang kayo, baka meron kayong maliligaw, no? And maybe yung maliligaw ninyo, it's not just one, maybe 2 or more, diba? So, yun, baka maaring yun ang pagpipilian din ninyo ngayon. Yun ang kailangan din ninyo pag-isipan, diba? You're going to choose between 2 or 3 siguro na inyong manliligaw. Pwedeng ganun din ang ganap dito for some of you. Kaya, medyo malalim ang pwede ninyong pag-isipan sa ngayon, ano? So, tignan natin kung ano yung inyong final message. And before that, I would like to say thank you muli sa inyong patuloy na pagsuporta sa aking channel. For those who are not skipping the ads, thank you for your support. At saka sa mga nagpapadala ng super thanks, ng donation, maraming salamat po. At saka maraming salamat din po sa mga nag-subscribe na sa aking channel, at kung hindi pa, please subscribe. At meron po tayong everyday na na guidance, no? Everyday po ako nag-upload. So for your final message, we have healing. Bless all in need of healing, hope, and love. Spirit, grant us strength and wisdom. Guide us to the path of wellness. Ayan. So, speaking of healing, no, kanina sa Angel of Peace, this is also about healing. Tapos meron tayong healing. So, most likely talaga, mayroon siguro kayong iba't ibang sitwasyon that is going to receive healing energy. So, magiging maayos na. Eventually, you're going to be at peace. Kasi magagamot na, maaayos na kung ano man ang gulo na nararamdaman ninyo, whether it is in relationship, whether it is in your money, career, and finances, whatever it is, no, na medyo hindi paborable sa iyo mga pangyayari, rest assured that that is going to be healed, that's going to be at peace na, no? So napakaganda. And even sa mga may mga personal na tawag dito, may mga sakit, no? Yung mga ganon. So siguro ngayon, then on a physical note, then, 'di ba? Baka kayo ay magagamot na rin, gaganda na rin ang inyong pakiramdam. Maybe you are also going to regain, your physical strength and vitality. Kaya napakaganda. So, what else? We have partnership. Learn to grow with others, overcome obstacles by working together, touch each other's hearts while life lasts. Ayan. So, meron nga bagong papasok sa relationship dito. Meron dito sa Seven of Cups, di ba? Merong opportunity, no, for some of you dito na pwedeng pumasok sa isang love and romantic relationship, or pwedeng bagong pagkakaibigan ang pasukin ng iba sa inyo, something like that. Maganda rito, no, dito sa magiging kapartner ninyo, there will be a symbiotic relationship between the two of you. You will be supportive of each other, kaya maswerte kayo, no, maswerte kayo sa bawat isa kasi you will be supportive of each other. Maybe you are going, parang kayo, soulmate, no, na swak agad kayo. Yung mga decision ninyo might be also on the same level, maaring on the same wavelength kayo, yung ganun ba, yung you will be very supportive of each other talaga. Ang samahan, may respeto, may pagmamahalan, no? Kaya maswerte kayo sa bawat isa. So, good luck. Thank you for watching. Love and light. Namaste.